Let's make a beautiful bead bracelet. This activity helps build fine motor skills, and it's a great way to express creativity through color and pattern. Here's what you'll need: 5 to 6 inches of elastic string, assorted beads, and a darning needle if working with younger children. Start by cutting a piece of elastic string. Tie a knot on one end to keep the beads from sliding off, especially helpful for little hands. If your child needs a little help, you can use a darning needle to make stringing easier. Now for the fun part: string your beads. Try mixing shapes, colors, and patterns to make it your own. When you're done, tie both ends together in a secure knot. Ask a grown-up for help if you need. Great job practicing your stringing skills. What kind of bracelet will you make next?